Today I am going to be showing you how to edit Squarespace navigation bar. First, open the work area of Squarespace like this, as you can see. Now double click on the navigation bar. As you can see, there is an added side header button. Click on that button. As you can see, a pop-up menu appear. Now you can select site title and logo or elements or style to change the style or even the font size and also the background color of your navigation bar. So let's change the background color and also the font color of the navigation bar. I choose the light brown color, and as you can see, the changes has been made. In this way, you can change or you can edit your navigation bar in Squarespace web application.